Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a cabin air filter. First, gather your essential tools, which typically include a new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is parked securely on a level surface with the engine completely off for safety. Taking these initial steps will prepare you for a smooth and efficient replacement process, ensuring you have everything ready before you begin. Now, let's access the filter housing. Begin by opening your glove box fully and removing all items inside to create ample working space. Next, carefully locate and detach any retaining clips or small screws that secure the glove box to the dashboard. Once these are released, gently lower or completely remove the glove box assembly, which will reveal the cabin air filter housing cover, usually a rectangular plastic panel. With the housing exposed, it's time for the replacement. Unclip or unscrew the filter housing cover and set it aside. Before pulling out the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for correct installation. Carefully slide out the old, dirty filter. Then, insert your new cabin air filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically towards the vehicle's rear. Finally, let's finish up. Securely reattach the filter housing cover, making sure all clips or screws are firmly in place. Then, carefully reinstall the glove box by reversing the steps you took to remove it, ensuring it latches properly. With your new cabin air filter installed, you will immediately notice improved air quality, reduced dust, and fewer allergens circulating inside your vehicle, making every drive more comfortable and healthier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.